How to change address in Mailchimp Footer. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the address in the Mailchimp Footer. So the process is very easy. You are going to head over your admin dashboard of your Mailchimp account. Once you are here, you are going simply to set up the email. So we are going to modify from here the email itself. So we are not going to head over the settings. This is a more simplific way to do that. So we are going to head over, for example, a campaign that we have created already, or we can do that with just clicking on create and then you are going to choose an email. So I'm going to head over the most simplific way. So we have here this regular emails. So make sure that you are going to see the email or the letter logo or the icon in here and not a landing page or a journey. So here I'm going to click on edit and it will open up the, as you can see, the campaign settings. So we have here everything for the campaign to set it up. Now we are going only to be focusing on the content. So we are going to click on edit design. It will load up and open up the editor, as you can see. So what I am going to do is to scroll down till I see the footer. So we are going to see our mailing address. So this is the list address, as you can see. So I'm not going to use this, but instead I'm going to delete it. We can go ahead and write in some contact, for example, here, New York, I don't know here, state, building, for example, something like that. We are going to type in the number here, street, for example, and then you're going to put here, for example, a zip code like that, and then you're going to put it vice versa. This is the first method. So this is not an organized method, but it is going to be a simple method. If you want to ignore that, you're going to delete this. And from here, you're going to, when you select or click on the footer itself, you're going to see on the design for the footer of the text, here, edit contact. Sure. So you can read here that we may automatically add your contact info into the footer block. Contact information is required, so it is going to be a must to have here. So we are going to click on edit contact info. And then you're going to remind the people how they signed up for this email. So it is going to be basic. Now we are going to see some information or the recipient, how they can contact us. So you're going to set up the email address, which is going to be showing on the footer. Here, as you can see, the email address or the address itself is going to be here. So I'm going to use USA, for example, here. I'm going to change the, let's say, the zip code, something like that. And region or state, for example, NY, like New York City, New York, just like that. And we are going to set up here the address one, address two. I'm going to set up here a phone number, just like that. And we are going to put here this. So I'm going to put here this phone number. And with that, we have totally changed the, as you can see here, I'm going to put, for example, like that. You have totally changed everything about the information. Click on here. So if you have a URL, go ahead and put a URL, for example, like that. jacksmith.com, just like this. Click on save, and here we have it. And then the information are going to be in here, so it is going to be set up just like that. So I'm going to take a look about the review. So it is going to set up here everything. You're going to set it up, or the contact information is going to be sent on the email, and the format is going to be in here. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.